Hi, I'm Terry from Engquist Tractor Service in McPherson, Kansas. We rebuild a lot of John Deere engines, many of them the 6068 and 4045 versions, and we've had really good results with the McBee rebuild kits. We're going to unbox a John Deere complete gasket set. We found that McBee gaskets are head and shoulders above most of the aftermarket available. A lot of the gaskets in this kit rival John Deere OEM stuff, and the O-rings are exceptionally good. A lot of aftermarket gasket sets, the O-rings are poor fitting and just won't do the job, and we end up buying them from an alternate source and substituting. But with these, we don't have to do that. So the gasket sets are really a good value. Okay, we'll open up the gasket set and have a look. As I was saying earlier, the McBee gaskets are one of their stellar points. So you can see it's packaged well to keep it from moving around in shipment. A lot of times you'll get a box that's just a jumble of loose gaskets and wadded up all at one end maybe. So this is not that way. It's locked together well. So we'll make a cut down here. Get some of this out. And they're glued down pretty well, so you want to have a knife with you. That's the valve cover gasket there, OEM style. And here are the small individual gaskets. Water pump, oil cooler, and the O-rings, which actually fit instead of some others that you have to substitute OEM to actually get the job done because the O-rings are made out of inferior material. These are not. These are good quality O-rings. They work very well. And we'll get to the next layer. Yeah, here's the oil pan gasket. It's nice. The original equipment Deere gaskets are made of this same pink material. They seal well. They don't squeeze out between the bolts. And same with the front cover and front end gaskets. They are excellent stuff. No problems at all. They have a nice round radius when they package them with these, so they fold better. They don't pinch and crack where they put them in the packaging. So usually no damage in shipment with these. They're quite good. And then on the bottom layer, we should have a head gasket in here. Well protected. Sneak him out of there. And here again, it's a nice OEM style graphite sandwich type gasket. And it actually fits well. The holes are coaxial with the liners on this gasket. They are not riding up on the fire dam like some do. We've had to substitute a lot of gaskets for aftermarket kits because when you set them on the engine and you center up the gasket on a liner here, at this other end, it's an 1/8 inch off and it doesn't set on the liner properly. So these are not that way. They actually fit, and you don't have to worry about that because it is a big problem. Because if you get a gasket riding up here, obviously it's not sitting on the ledge where it's supposed to, and it will leak, and you'll be doing the job again. So these are good.